Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we got another banger for you today. Ooh, man, I'm just loving these aprons. You guys like our aprons? Y'all comment down below if you like our aprons.
Oh, I'm sure. I got a tippy toe because you can't see my subscribe.
I love these aprons. I love it, guys. If you want these aprons, email us, cookingcomedy@gmail.com. So what we cooking today, boo?
Ooh, we making some packy. Oh, I can't even say the word. Say it. Why are you always making that face?
No face. I ain't making no face. Well, I love these pockets. I can put my hand in my pockets when I'm guilty.
So you guilty.
I told them, like, guys, today we have something new and unique.
Yes, that is true.
Can I get the drum roll? Can I please get the drum roll?
Yes. Ooh, why are you all these faces though?
Why are you mad extra? You loud.
I was excited.
I'm standing right next to you. And you
want
mad.
the drum roll or no?
Can you lower the volume down on the TV just a tad?
You want the drum roll?
I want the drum roll, but I don't want the outside voice. Can I get the inside voice?
Oh, you get the inside drums.
Now you're playing in your ass. You're playing your ass. Give me the damn drum rolls. Guys, today we are making Pocky Haunted Ghost Pepper Chip Chicken Wings.
It's gonna be on fire. Your mouth is going to be on fire.
Yo, y'all know those Pocky chips that we told y'all about? It's going down. I'm gonna say it one more time because tongue twisted.
Today, because I can't.
Today we are making Pocky Haunted Ghost Pepper Chip Chicken Wings.
You want to show them the bag or not yet?
No.
Okay.
Oh wait, there's more. How we making these hot chicken wings?
In the air fryer, guys. That's right, guys. In the air fryer.
The air fryer, guys.
Super simple.
Yes, so when we come back, it's about to go down.
Favorite queen is back with all the ingredients you're gonna need.
Hey queen.
Hey boo. That you're gonna need. I should say hey king.
Totally.
That you're gonna need to make our Pocky chicken wings in the air fryer, guys. So first things first, you're gonna need an air fryer. You're gonna need
definitely
pan spray or cooking spray, some kind of non-stick spray when cooking in the air fryer. All right, that's very important. So we're gonna need, of course, your chicken. You're gonna need half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder, just a pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt. We don't like anything salty here, and we prefer this because it's healthier. 1 packet of sazon con, ¿qué? ¿Qué, mi amor?
Achote.
Okay, achote, sazon con achote, 1 pack, all right? Just 1 pack, guys. And about a teaspoon of ketchup, just a squeeze, not too much. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 cup of flour if you're doing about 2 pounds of chicken. If you're doing less, then put at least half a cup. And 2 scrambled eggs. And of course, the main ingredient, Pocky Haunted Ghost Peppers chips, all right? We're using 2 bags. And we crush it up to look like this, guys. All right? So let me tell you, pay attention. In the flour, okay? we're going to put all these ingredients in the chicken, but in our flour, we're only going to put a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it, all right? So stay tuned for the next step, guys.
Chefs, chefettes, YouTubers, everybody, back with the next step. So we've seasoned our chicken with all the ingredients we told you, and we let that bad boy sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. We crushed up our Packy ghost pepper chips, and we threw the seasoning she told you into our flour. So the next step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your seasoned chicken. You're gonna dip it in the egg. Drain it off. Get all the egg wash off. Dip it in the flour. Then back into the egg. You guys paying attention? Y'all can see me?
We can certainly see you.
Drip it off. And then dunk that bad boy in these Packy ghost pepper chips.
You dunk that hard like you playing basketball.
I am. They call me the Michael Jordan of the cooking game.
Woo!
Woo!
Excuse me.
Put that over there on our little rack.
That thing's fancy over there.
Yeah, boy. So I'm gonna show y'all again. Egg. Flour. Egg again.
Were you singing?
I'm a singer.
No. Stop that thing right now. No. We're going to lose subscribers. Hello. You dropping flour all over the floor.
What are you here for? You go clean it up?
I ain't cleaning doodoo butter.
You go doodoo butter?
Yeah, I try not to curse.
That is a thing?
I am a Catholic woman. I am trying not to curse.
Can I have some doodoo butter on toast?
No.
Doodoo butter? I never heard. Guys, y'all see that? I'm gonna do one more for you. Whoever was not paying attention, listening to her doodoo butter.
That's crazy.
Egg, real quick. Egg, drain it off. Flour, get it real covered and smothered. See that?
Can you bring it up close for us? Bring it up over here.
Oh, you're dropping flour on my floor. Who that sound like?
Ooh.
See that? Flour. Egg again.
I don't know who that sound like. Huh.
Name Chef Sam.
You thought out my
And
whole
last
government,
but
bro.
not least, into our Packy ghost pepper chip.
Let me see.
Hold on, I'm gonna drop
Let me
it.
see.
I'm gonna drop it. Get it all in there, get it covered. Man, you're killing me here.
I gotta see. We gotta see. Dang, that thing look good.
All right, guys. So you're gonna do that to all your chips, and then when we come back, you're gonna see the next step.
Guys, I'm here with the next step. And as you can see, we breaded all the chicken and it looks so delicious. I'm starving, okay? Starving. My honey did not feed me at all today.
Not your boyfriend.
I didn't even say it was you.
Oh, okay.
I said my honey.
Oh yeah. That damn honeybee didn't feed you. Yeah.
All right, guys. So.
Yeah, honey didn't feed you.
Honey.
Yeah, totally.
I'm lying. I'm just
Not your boyfriend.
a fat butt and I'm hungry again. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna set our air fryer.
Oh, did you tell them we preheated it?
We did preheat it. Oh, well, I don't even have to. You just did.
Oh yeah, totally. 5 minutes. We heated it up on 320.
Yes. Now all air fryers vary, okay? But ours, we're gonna heat our air fryer at 320 degrees for 30 minutes, okay? 10 minutes in, we're gonna check. So let's do that together. First, let's put our stuff in. We need our non-stick cooking spray. Coat this bad boy. Woo, get everything.
Hot.
It's hot. Y'all see that smoke, right? Get everything. Ooh, what do I do with my spatula? What's in here? Yo, these pockets, though, guys. These pockets are the truth.
Totally.
Let us know if you want an apron. We got you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I wish these was already cooked.
I wish you were done for real. Hurry up. I'm hungry.
You hungry too?
Yep.
What happened? Your wife ain't cook for you?
Nah, she never cook.
That's crazy.
She's skunt lazy.
She lazy?
She's skunt lazy.
She's skunt lazy.
Yeah, she's skunt lazy.
I'm lazy.
Oh, you? You lazy?
I'm lazy. Cause I see me putting chicken in the air fryer, bro.
But your middle name lazy.
That's crazy. Guys, comment and let me know if I'm lazy, because y'all see me cooking all the time.
Oh yeah, guys, we put it on a rack just so the breadcrumbs wouldn't come off on the other side. You guys see that little metal rack that we got?
All right, let me move out the way.
Nah, you can stay there.
You can see it?
Nah, you good.
Oh,
We
good.
can- Yep, just taking it off the metal rack.
We had
All
enough
right.
just for
Perfect fit. Let me get them in there closer. Oh, hurry up. Put that in. Push the button. Push the
You
button.
hungry?
My wife don't feed me. My wife does starve me to death.
I feed him
All the time.
All the time.
Well, you know what I had for breakfast, guys? Air. If you follow us on IG, you'll see we went jogging and I ate air for breakfast.
We went jogging.
And I ate air for breakfast.
We went jogging.
Guys, go follow us on IG. I'll put the link in the description for our Instagram page. Follow us on IG so you can stay up to date.
Yes.
You press play?
Listen,
Hurry up now.
3:20, 30 minutes, 10 minutes. We're going to check it and see what happens. Stay tuned with us, guys.
Hey! Back with the next step, guys. So it's been about 15 minutes. Like we told you, you want to check your chicken about 10 minutes in just to make sure you're not burning it. Come close. I want you guys to see. So we checked ours at 10. Temperature was fine because all air fryers cook differently. So we let it cook for 15 minutes. And this is what it looks like.
What? It's not cooked yet? I can't eat it?
It's only been 15 minutes, greedy.
Oh, shoot.
Hurry for curry.
No,
Slow
I'm
down.
not hurry for curry.
Hurry for chicken.
I hurry for chicken.
Slow down.
All right.
Wait.
All right, okay.
Shucks.
Jesus.
So what I'm gonna do now, it's been 15 minutes in, I'm gonna flip this. I'll put it back in for another 15 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm using my hands. If you guys got tongs, fine. Well, we do have tongs, but ain't nobody got time for that.
Just tell them the truth, you don't like it.
Nobody got time for that.
Hurry for curry. Hurry
Nobody
for
got time
curry.
for that.
Curry sound good, you know.
Yeah, curry do sound good. I ain't gonna lie, curry sound good.
Chicken.
Ooh, hot. Ooh, okay,
Oh!
sorry, guys. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's gonna get.
You gotta open the tongs.
I hate this damn tongs.
You gotta push the thing up on the bottom. There you go. Push it in. Push it in. There you go. Woo! Like magic.
So you couldn't tell me this before the scene? I was struggling with this since yesterday.
You didn't want to use it though.
Couldn't. If you told me that's how you opened this yesterday, I would have used it. You always messing my scenes up and sabotaging me.
And humbugging
and
things.
all kind of to-do splats. Yo, you could have.
And you always vex all the time.
Guys, so now I'm gonna spray it and we're gonna put it in for the last 15 minutes. Spray it lightly. I can't believe you didn't tell me that's how to open this.
320, guys, for 15 more minutes.
You saw me struggling yesterday.
You see that? 320. Focus. Focus, man. Focus. Focus. All right. Don't stand like that.
Guys, so we're gonna let this run for another 15 minutes and that's it. So stay tuned.
Hey.
What's up, my favorite YouTubers? Back with the finished product!
hungry.
You always hungry.
No, I'm not. Just lately.
You told him you were hungry in the beginning of the video. You told him you was hungry in the middle of the video. And now you tell him you're hungry again. My point proven.
There's probably a reason I'm
Always hungry.
There's probably a reason.
Guys, these Pocky ghost pepper chip chicken wings is done. Show the bag. Close up. Let's get close up. Can we get a let's get a thumbnail with everything.
Can we?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a funny face? I'll do a funny face.
That was a funny face.
I wasn't ready.
Funny face is always.
Can we do another one?
This is not. This one is not a funny face.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! You said it wasn't a funny face. You lied.
That wasn't a funny face, guys. Let me get in close. Yo, these wings is bomb. They're hot and they're good. Pocky ghost pepper. Can you not drop crumbs on my damn shoulder?
It's banger. Oh my god.
You
Oh my God.
You drop it. I hope it burn your skunk.
It is spicy. It is spicy.
It's ghost pepper chips. What
Oh
the
my God.
what the back of the chips say?
Let me show y'all.
What the back of the back? Fiery hot? No. Frickin' hot.
Freaking hot.
Guys,
Oh my God.
make these chips, guys. One more.
Mm.
Hold on, let me see if I can balance this with one hand. Imagine
You better not drop it, 'cause I'm hungry.
Whoa.
No,
Whoa.
That's not funny.
Whoa. All right, guys, yo. Take a look at these chickens. That's it. Make these chips. Guys.
Like, subscribe, make it then.
And email us if you want these aprons. That's it. Can you stop dropping crumbs